Let me share with you the strategies learned how this SaaS founder increased their revenue by 29%. So this article comes from Indie Hackers. It's by Mike. So I'll leave a link to the article in the description below. But this founder used 3 different pricing hacks and strategies to really increase their revenue here. So the first one was to scare customers off with a high pricing plan. So just like restaurants that do this by listing some very expensive wines on their menu, the psychology behind this is that it lowers the bar for other pricing plans. If someone sees a $1,000 wine, the others are between $100 and $500. The $1,000 wine will scare them off first, but they'll be relieved when they see the $500 one. So seeing an expensive plan on the same list as 2 less expensive ones will automatically lower the bar for signing up for those. This is similar to price anchoring, where you're anchoring at a higher price, so it makes everything else seem cheaper. So their second pricing hack was always to use 3 plans, not 2, because by doing so, 90% of people will go for the smaller plan of $99. If you add a third plan for $500, that's way more expensive than the other ones, and so a different mind game comes into play. Instead of now going for the lowest tier, people will actually choose the middle plan simply because they don't want to pay too much, but they also want to go for quality. So by simply adding this higher tier plan, the middle plan suddenly looks like the best option. The third strategy here is to play with your middle plan. So as you've learned, you need to work with 3 different plans, a small, middle, and large. And so the middle one will actually determine how much you sell. If you want to sell more of your large plan, you have to raise your middle plan so the large one looks like a steal. But if you want to sell more of your middle plan, you have to raise the gap between the middle and the large one, so the middle plan actually looks like the more reasonable one to go with. So pricing is never constant, it's always different for every product, but these 3 pricing strategies can help give you different things to test to see if those are working well. If you've made it this far in the video, I'm sure you want to build your own SaaS or micro SaaS. There's a link in the description below where you can get sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. So again, there's a link in the description below. I also have a course on how to build a micro SaaS so you can learn how to make money, generate passive income, and gain financial freedom with a micro SaaS, even if you don't have a product idea or any experience. So there's a link in the description below for this as well. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.